Today we're going to do some ice drifting with the Hosim 9155 with the 550 cam motor, and that's coming up next on Jesse B Motors. Welcome back. Since you guys liked my drifting video with my Arma Typhon, I figured I'd get my favorite budget basher out here. This is the Hosim 9155. And this has a 550 motor and it's a 1/12 scale. And I figured I'd get this out and do some ice drifting with it. I'm not going to use the whole pond with this one. The battery don't last as long. So I'm just going to stay on this side. And you can see the ice kind of froze clear and you can see the edge of it. That's kind of cool. But we'll go ahead and have some fun. All right, that's pretty much all I got for today. I hope you guys enjoyed that. I think my battery's dying here. So we're going to end it right here. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Don't forget to follow us on Instagram, Facebook, and TikTok. On Facebook, don't forget I got an RC group on there called RC Car Life. Come join in on the fun. Thank you all for watching, and we'll see you all on the next one.
Yeah, the recording's over!